documents. Ghost projects. Hindi pa pwedeng mag-apply yung Section 101 but there is a perpetual disqualification of this. You have to look into this. Yung siguro ang gusto mong puntuhan,
Yes, sir.
Senator, di ba?
Yes, sir. Mr. Chairman, thank you,
And
sir.
then I think we have to put a limit muna, sir. Kasi medyo gusto nang magtanong yung iba.
Sige,
Makakabalik ka naman, boss.
I'll try to wind up for a while.
Yes.
Marami pa po akong tanong eh. So when they were appointed by whoever, President Duterte or President Marcos, because I know for a fact you were appointed by President Duterte originally, di ba?
We'll give you more time, Senator Soto, para yung iba gustong magtanong.
Sige,
Let me just re-emphasize, lahat po dapat makapagtanong, but ilimit muna natin sa first 5 minutes. Pagkatapos pag may time tayo, balikan po natin ang bawat isa. Senator Tulfo,
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, if I may continue.
tapos na yung 5 minutes mo. May opening ka pa kasi. O sige,
This
pagbibigyan
report,
kita.
Madam, diskalalaman ang mga projects for the bidding. Sino nagbibigay ng listahan sa'yo?
We don't have a list.
Naka 6 minutes ka na, i-wrap.
Okay,
I don't have a list po.
Yun ang DPWH.
Incidentally, Senator Risa, you are the next interpellator, so you may want to continue with your 5 minutes. Thank you.
Will do. Thank you, Mr.
Tinatapos
Chair.
mo na ba ako, Chair?
Linawin na yung mga
Senator Risa, sorry, nagkamali ako.
Chairman.
Senator Risa, sorry, kasi nalagpasan ko si Senator Bato pala.
Kung gayon, Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair, excuse me. Mr. Chair, because the last time I was here, I was only allowed 2 questions by you. And yet, mga kasamahan ko rito, bilang respeto sa mga kasamahan ko, they were allowed na 1 to sawa. Dapat maging fair ka, Mr. Chair. Pag sinabi mong 2 questions, 2 minutes talaga, you have to stick with it. You're not being fair, Mr. Chair.
I am fair, kasi nandito ka
No, kasi nung last time, sabi mo sa akin 2 questions lamang. Sabi mo 1 question. Sabi ko, tinitipid mo ako, sabi mo 2 questions. And now, pinapayagan mo kahit na ilang questions. Be fair, Mr. Chair.
Teka muna, bago tayo magkaroon ng impresyon na walang fair dito. Noon, sinabi ko na in the earlier statement na como nag-uumpisa tayo noon at kinakailangan nating mabakate ang plenary at exactly 2:15, kaya tayo nagmadali. Kaya naman nasabi ko sa inyo, pasensya na muna.
Mr. Chairman, I made a motion duly seconded, Mr. Chairman,
Kasi nga kung
to subpoena, Mr. Chairman, today. Mr. Chairman, I'm asking it today because they said
if that will help us, okay. Any second?
Second, it was already seconded,
Oh,
Mr.
there's a motion and the second, the motion is approved. Then let's
Thank you,
continue
Mr.
with the questioning.
Mr. Chair, sir, kasi yung 5 minutes ko, maraming sumingit. Last na lang, isa lang.
Hindi, kasi
maigsi.
hindi na makakaano itong mga kasama natin.
With the permission of Senator Tulfo. Senator Tulfo, maigsi lang. Ha?
di ba, Mr. Chair?
Kasi sabi ng, Mr. Chair, sabi ng kuwa.
Teka muna, with the permission of Senator Tulfo.
Okay lang?
Clarification, Mr. Chair. Akala ko po ako yung
Oo nga, kayo
susunod.
na po ang susunod.
Ni
Kaya lang, ang
Senator
daming ayaw pang bumitaw. Wala
Hindi,
tayong-
Hindi, naghihintay naman po
Last
ako.
na to, last.
Tinatanong ko lang
Last,
yung sequence.
Then
Salamat,
last,
Mr.
and then
Chair.
Senator Risa.
Salamat, Mr. Chair.
Pagkatapos wala na Senator Amy, Senator Rapi.
Yeah.
Sandali na, ikaw na.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, considering that this representation is part of the leadership,
Okay.
Priority,
we find out,
priority.
Okay.
the list of...
Last question, then Senator Risa. Wala na si Senator Marcos, Senator Joel, Senator Rapi, Senator Robin, magkano ka? Senator Robin. And then Senator Mark. Okay, in that order.
Thank you, Mr.
Proceed,
Chair.
sir. And it's the turn of our very forgiving majority leader na kanina po ay talagang nagparaya na kasi mabuti naman ang kanyang puso. Senator Joel.
Napakabait po ng chairman natin, pero yung buong buhay ko dito sa Senado, halos isang dekada na, ngayon ko lang na-experience na pag nasa leadership ka, kailangan mong magparaya at maghintay. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, wala
So it's now the turn of Senator Rapi Tulfo.
With the permission of Senator Rafi Anoy, he wants to ask a lot of questions. With the permission, pumayag na.
22?
22 million, how many
Pwede pa
megawatts?
natin pakita yung screen. Kami hindi nakakaalam ng kotse na hindi na malaman kung ano yung pinagsasabi ninyo. Kayo siguro nagkakaintindihan kayo pero kami ni Senator Erwin hindi kami masyadong para malaman namin ano ba itsura ng pinag-uusapan
Maybach is
natin.
Mercedes, right? Oh, ilan ang Maybach mo?